How to fix Toyota app not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video presentation, I'm going to address the issue of the Toyota app not functioning properly. So it is recommended to ensure that you have the most up-to-date version of the app installed on your device. This can typically be done by visiting your respective app store or the Play Store and checking for any available updates for the Toyota app. Additionally, it may be beneficial to clear the app cache to potentially resolve any underlying issues. To clear the app cache, you have to first go ahead and open settings of your phone. Then scroll all the way down and go to the app section. Search for the Toyota app and then after click on it. Again scroll down and click on the storage option. And now simply clear the cache or clear the data according to your preference from the bottom of the screen. Additionally, you can also uninstall the app. Then you can reinstall it by downloading it again from the App Store or the Play Store. By removing the app entirely and performing a fresh installation, any potential glitches or the errors within the app may be rectified, ultimately leading to a smoother user experience. Once you have reinstalled the Toyota app, you should find that the initial issue you encounter has been successfully resolved. In conclusion, taking these steps to update the app, clear the cache, and reinstall it as needed can often help in resolving the technical issues with the Toyota app. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.